What's going on, guys? What's going on? Chris? I'm Chris. This is PNW RC Madness. Check it out. So I'm making a template. Actually, this is what this is for, guys. Real quick before I start the video, I'm making a template real quick here, and I'm going to have this inscribed. I'm going to route this on the side of the ramps for those that are getting the Pacific Northwest RC Madness freestyle ramps, PNW RC freestyle ramps. That's what this is going to be for. So anyways, guys, PNW RC Madness just kind of started, like, I don't know, a few years ago, 2 years ago, when I broke my ankle, and I got laid up for 10 months from a little injury on my motorcycle. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and not bore everybody. So I officially just want to kind of make an announcement right here on YouTube to you guys watching and to spread the word. This is just the beginning. But anyways, I really love monster trucks, and I hope you do too. They've kind of like bit me really hard. But I want to do an unboxing. So I started a website a couple months ago, www.pnwrcmadness.com. You can go there and you can get my merch. Got hats, sweatshirts, t-shirts, kid stuff, bags. Anyways, I'm officially a Treal dealer, and it's not quite on my site, but I'm so anxious to shout out to Treal and how awesome they are. Thank you, Treal Hobby, Wendy. So here we go, guys. These are just going to be some of the things that are going on the website. So we're going to be carrying axles, basically we're going to be carrying a whole lot of different stuff. So I got 2 boxes here full. I got axles. Everything is MSRP. Everyone sells it at the same price. I can ship it to you pretty fast for what I got, and I'm building from here. I got axles, fronts and rears. Right now I've only got black and silver. Black and silver. Another axle. And guys, the stuff is super quality. It is amazing. The machine work is just awesome. The fitment of the pieces that go inside the housing, the hubs, the spindles, the knuckles, the bearings, everything just is awesome. There's no play when you stick your diffs in them, at least the ones that I have on my truck. But anyways, so we got all the axles, and everything is going to be on the store in just a matter of time. We got shock mounts, we got black, we got silver, we got knuckles, we got shock mounts, we got knuckles, we got silver knuckles, we got upper links, we got lower links right now, we got servo mounts, more shock mounts, more shock mounts, more knuckles, more shock mounts. I got 23 tooth right now. They didn't have 25 tooth when I ordered them. They're actually really awesome if you guys have any problems with your stuff. Treal stands behind their product 100%. So the warranty will have to go through them, but you can definitely contact me. So I haven't experienced that yet, to be honest. So anyways, basically, I'm hoping to have everything for the LMT. Take a look at this truck, guys. So this is the one we're running. Still haven't run it yet, so we're working on it. We got the lights. Check out the lights. So I make these light kits just for some of my rigs. I'll have to show that in a different video, but check that out, guys. Yeah. So how about that? And a set of these guys, silver ones. These are the black ones. So there they are on the truck. I guess there's going to be some axles coming out from, I think JERRC's got some axles. Maybe he'll let me carry them. Maybe not. But anyways, got trailing links. They're in here somewhere, guys. Lots of upper links, so I had to order more stuff. Upper link, they're all lower links actually. We got trailing links right here. More servo mounts. We do have a couple of black steering mounts. Steering linkages. Steering linkages. LMT Monster Black. 7075. Everybody, this is 7075. Good stuff. Now I haven't got it all on my truck. I'm going to actually end up making a Treal build, finishing my Treal build, so... Oh, something wonky going on. You can get these stands, the file off of, what do you call that? Thingiverse. Yeah, if you have a printer, you can print them for your LMT, for all your monster trucks. Actually, they worked on my AR60s. And this just happens to be my favorite truck for some reason. But anyways, moving on. Basically, I got it all. So, guys, I hope this wasn't too long or terrible of a video for you to watch. Too much pain. Keep an eye out. Feel free to find me on Facebook, PNWRC Madness, and you can find me there, or on Instagram, PNWRC Madness, or you can just personal message me. Yeah, just personal message me, and I'll do my best to get you parts super fast, as fast as I can. And I'm taking orders. That's probably the easiest way for me to do it right now, is just to take orders. So guys, definitely, if you like this video, definitely subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys later. Yep. Put it all back. So before I end the video, that's it. That's it.